lending money to Buhari, IMF, and World Bank warned. Former presidential aide Reno Omokri has called on the International Monetary Fund and World Bank to stop lending money to President Muhammadu Buhari. Reno, in a tweet via this official Twitter account, made this known, stating that the money given to the Nigerian government is being used to fill their own private capacities. According to him, if you lend to them after today, you are not lending to Nigeria. Dear World Bank and IMF, stop lending President Muhammadu Buhari junta money. Note, if you lend to them after today, you are not lending to Nigeria. You are lending to them in their own private capacity. The future generation would have to be the ones paying for Buhari's debt, he said. Thank you for listening to this news. My viewers, what Reno Mukri have just said is the truth. Let's call it a spade a spade. What he has just said is the humble truth. Let he that have ear should hear, and let he that want to tell the truth tell the truth. You see, one thing I love in Omukri is that he is fearless. One, two, he is always by the side of the truth, no matter what. He is always by the side of the truth. He doesn't want to know you. He will just hit the nail on the head. See what he has just said. See what he has just said. My viewers, in all the presidents in Nigeria, the president that has lent money more, that has borrowed money more from international country and World Bank is no other president but President Muhammadu Buhari. Yes, President Muhammadu Buhari has fixed this country into a very serious debt. This country is in a very serious debt, but we don't know. In a very serious debt. That the moment he leaves the seat, the next person coming to power will pay and pay and pay. He will keep paying until his first tenure will be over. Do you know how much we are owing the Chinese? Do you know how much we are owing America? What about CBN? We are just looking at ourselves. We don't even know the facts. Look at the amount he collected the last time, which that's before the pandemic, which he shared to different states and refused to give the Southeast, whereby Loretta Onoche have to open her big mouth and say that it is good for the Southeast since they are agitating for Biafra. And one of these minister Farouk, opened her big mouth as well, saying that the Southeast don't deserve any of this fund. Let them keep their money. Let them keep their money, because Southeast, they didn't say that they are hungry. They didn't say they are hungry. Southeast has more than that money that the president has gone to borrow. They are only demanding for the average Igbo man and woman in the Southeast. Maybe you don't know. Southeast can buy the whole of Nigeria. Obi Ezekwesili said that from our research that the moment Biafran is actualized, 5 years is enough for Biafra to become the best country in Nigeria. And that is the truth. You go and make your findings and you see what I'm telling you. You go and make your findings. You understand? So, you see, we don't need to pull ourselves over nothing, because we know what the truth is. We know what the truth has installed. You understand? So let us try to come up and reveal the truth, reveal realities. Let the president know that, look, the way he is borrowing money is not the way money should be borrowed. It's not the way money should be borrowed. He is not doing it right. Look at, after collecting all this money, he will end up allocating it to the wrong channel. And those ones that we allocate the money to, we start fixing the money to the private purse. See the amount of money he allocated to NDDC. Yet those hoodlums, they started sharing the money to themselves, assigned projects and refused to execute it. Can you imagine? How can you assign a project and you won't set up a committee to help monitor the project? What kind of administration is that? What kind of leadership is that? You see, the president is making nonsense of Nigerian fund. He's making mockery of the Nigerian fund. It's making the Nigerians lose a lot. Now, after the NDDCs have finished embezzling, that is when he now knows that he will go out and carry out an investigation. It's too late. It's just too late. The money has been spent. The money has been used. So it's too late. That's what I will say to him. It's too late. So let's see, the president should, in fact, the advice given to CBN and IMF is good. It's good. The Nigerian government should work with the little that they have. We have money in circulation. We have money in the account. Let us work with it. Let us work with it. Do you understand? Let us work with what we have. Okay? So, my viewers, I don't know what your own comment concerning all that have just been said. Deem it fit to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to receive more updates. Thank you.